Welcome everyone again to the day of AI 3, and today we are going to learn the AI app development with MIT App Inventors. Okay, so my question to you people is, if anyone knows, so how many of you know about AI or how AI works? How many of you are like know what is AI or how AI works? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Yeah, Aris, very nice. And yeah, lot of you know, very good, very good, perfect. So in AI, like we are going to implement the concepts of AI in this app development. Okay, so now like whatever the concepts of AI you people know, we are going to implement those concepts in the app development. Okay, perfect. Okay. So whoever knows MIT App Inventor or who have worked with MIT App Inventor will be like it will be easier for them. And for others, like we are going to work on a platform called MIT App Inventor today for creating the final project of the day, which is going to be in the term of an app. So the website that we are going to work on, or the platform that we are going to work on, is going to be MIT App Inventor. Okay. So can you people turn on your mics, like if anyone has any question, or you can write it in the chat. Okay. If there is any question or concern that you want to discuss, you can write down that in the chat. Perfect. Nice. And for people who doesn't know about what is AI, so for them, just a minute. Okay. So first, let's see about the agenda of the day. Okay, so let's first see about the agenda of the day, and the agenda would include the introduction, and after that we will be working on the app development using AI, the basics of image recognition, the project that we are going to do today, and after that we will be like getting started with the MIT App Inventor, and we would understand the platform, and we would try to create our own object detector app as well. And then at the end there will be a question answer round as well, where you people can ask the questions, and we would be very happy to answer them all. Just a minute. So who are we? So like Clever offers the tailored coding and artificial intelligence AI programs for kids and teens above who are of age 6 and above. So we launched our first junior data science program as well, and we are ready to work with the artificial intelligence and the, data science. So basically, we train young people and working professionals in this domain of data science. And today, I'll be a mentor for the day. So my name is Abhishek, and I have completed my master's in data analytics. I have been developing apps for the last 5 years, and I have been the international fifth at MIT App Inventors app development competition hosted in US. That's a small introduction of about myself, and I'm looking forward to guide you people in this domain so that you people can make your own apps and create some innovative projects. So I hope everyone is ready and everyone is going to, yeah, like Aris, do you have a question? Aris, is there any question? Okay, perfect. So I hope that like we all are going to work as a team, and we are going to make some like make the final an innovative final project that would stand out. And I want everyone's participation in it so that we can make this event a great success. And all the best. And I'm looking forward to see a great team effort from everyone present in my team. So I'll be the captain of the team, and I hope that my team members would be happy to be there with me and to do the projects. Okay, so let's go next. So now, what is app development? Now in why when we are learning about app development, now what is it basically? So anyone having any idea, or anyone have developed apps previously? Anyone who has developed app previously? Okay, perfect. Okay, Sanvi. Okay, nice. Nice. So people who have already developed apps, they would know about some of the basic concepts that are related to the app development. But for the people who are doing it for the first time, so we are going to break things up and we're going to work on it. Okay. So about the mobile app development, right? So about the mobile app development, what we do. So mobile application development, like the process that we are going to work in, is the process of creating software application that runs on a mobile device. And a typical mobile application utilizes a network connection to work with remote computing resources. Now, today, the mobile app that we are going to develop, we will not only develop the app, but we are also looking forward to understand the internal architecture of the app development. Like if there is a screen, so if I click a button, what would happen to that, or what is the utility of it? Now every one of us use a lot of mobile apps, right? So in those mobile apps, what we do, like there are certain buttons that we click and it gives us certain output or certain results. Now here, when we will create our own applications, so at that time what we will do, we will try to understand the internal architecture of this app development, so that it utilizes and it creates the device, or makes the device ready for AI as well. So after this, let's move next. Okay. So the requirements, like the app development, so it is first, like it is understanding the requirements. Okay, so what requirements? Now, for example, you are building the app for a organization. Now different organizations has different uh like requirements to fulfill according to the apps that are required. So first one is understanding the requirement. So when we understand the requirements of the clients or whoever, if we are making it for the business or for whatever reasons maybe whatsoever, so at that point of the time, what we can make is understand the requirements. Okay, so just a minute, let me take some questions. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Yep. So in the next part, if we see, number two is the like design an initial solution. Now firstly, what it is done is, like first we understand the requirements. Now, like as an organization or as an individual, when you're developing an app, what we have to do is, like we need to understand first the requirements. What are the requirements for my project? So what is my step two? Whoever is drawing, please stop drawing. Whoever is drawing, please stop drawing. Okay. So design, firstly, what we are going to do is design and initial solution or hypothesis. Now, like before making the total project, what we need to do is we need to design a solution or an hypothesis. Okay. So what we do here, so initially, first, like according to the requirement, we plan out something, we chalk out a plan, what we need to do. Like for example, the requirement for my project is to build a calculator. Okay, so like what we would do. So in the course, what we are going to do is design the initial solution. So what we are going to do, we are going to design an initial solution for it, so that it understand the requirements. Okay, and it is made in such a way that the all of the the designing and the hypothesis part, everything is done. Clear? So number three that we are going to do is implement and test the solution. So what we are going to do here, So here, whatever the hypothesis that we have made or assumptions that we have made, what we are going to do, we are going to implement that and test the solution. So for example, let's say for the calculator app in the design, like in the first part, that is in the 0, 1 part. So what we have understood that we will have to create something that would calculate, that would mathematically help to calculate, right? So in the step 2, what is happening? So we are designing an hypothesis solution. So in this one, what will happen? So here, as an organization or as an app developer, what you have to do, you have to find out things that would be. So if you consider, so what are the things that can be there? So you need to have 2 entry boxes, right? Where the user would like you need to have an entry box where the user would put their values, right? So like if the person wants to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, so for that we need to give them some options. So that is one part gone. So first we need to create like a place where the person can enter the values. Then we need to like put some operators like the like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then we can also have to have a button which would give the final output. So that means this is the planning part. So after that, what we have to do, after we have planned the things, we need to implement and test the solution, right? So we need to implement it and we need to test the solution. After that, what we have to do, we have to or refactor it. Like if the solution is not optimal or it is not giving the correct output, so we need to refactor or optimize the solution. And at the end, what we have to do, we have to deliver the solution, like the final output is there. So this is the how the app development concept works, or how we are going to develop the apps, or how the development of the apps works. I hope it is clear to everyone. Is there any doubt? Anyone with any doubt? Anyone with any doubt? Perfect. Yes, Shreyans. Shreyans, yeah, what is the doubt? You can ask in the chat. Okay. Let me know the doubt. Okay. Okay. So now after we have done with this, like the initial requirements, and I got a question, I guess, to refactor or to optimize, like what does this part means? So to refactor, to optimize, that means like you have implemented and tested the solution, right? So once you have implemented and tested the solution, now what if the solution is not optimal, or whatever you wanted is not there in the solution? So what you have to do, you have to reorganize the things, and then you have to optimize it again. So that is very important. So in the refactor, to optimize, in this part, what we are doing, we are implement, like after the implementation is done, and if the requirement, like we first understood what the requirement is, so that requirement is not matching, or the totally what was the requirement is not getting matched with the implementation or implemented solution. So at that point, what we have to do, we have to refactor to optimize, like we need to optimize the solution. And refactor means whatever the factors that we have dealt with, or whatever we have defined, we need to refactor it to optimize the solution. I hope is it clear to everyone? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Okay. Yeah, Aris, you have a doubt? Yeah, you can ask. Okay, no doubts. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Okay, please don't write on the screen, write in the chat. Anyways. Okay. Now here, like, what is the benefits? Now we are going to work with the just a minute. Yeah, well, now we are going to work with the benefits of AI app development. Okay, so let's understand and work with the benefits of AI app development. now enhances the user experience. Now, if you see the apps that are like made with AI has a different approach and has a different utility whatsoever. You can the app can be a conversational chatbot app or whatever it is, but apps which have the implementation with AI, so that makes it a more acceptable and more better app in terms, so it enhances the user experience, right? So after that, what it does, it provides the conversational UI stands for user interface. Okay, so like, see, in the app development, if you understand, the app development has two parts. Number one is the user interface. Now, what is that user interface? User interface is the part that you people see, the screen that you people see of your apps. So that part where the user sees it. So that part is the user interface part. And then along with it, there is the like the whatever the things that you're defining in your user interface, that has an implementation on its backend as well. So what is the backend? So backend is the part where the main thing is done, like the app is being created, like you can design your front end, that is the user interface, and then you need to code for it in the backend of it. I hope, is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Hello, is it clear to everyone? Fine. Okay, perfect. 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 After that, what we have is improves the productivity. So like when a app is being like it has the artificial intelligence concepts used in it, so it improves the productivity of the building the apps. So that is a okay. uh, yes, Gerard, can you can tell me the doubt if you have. Gerard, is there any doubt that you have? Yes, tell me. Write it in the chat. Or write it in the chat. Okay. Moving forward. Yeah. I think. Yeah, we have blocks in MIT App Inventor, correct. We don't directly code it. Very good question. So basically what we do in MIT App Inventor is we use the block and code type of development in the MIT App Inventor. Okay, so here it enhances the user experience, it provides a conversational UI, and it improves the productivity. Okay, so like after that, what we have the track users behavior. So here we can track the users behavior as well, and the accuracy close to perfection. Okay, so now here what happens is like it improves the productivity. So when our app is being implemented with artificial intelligence, so what it does, it helps like the credibility of the app, or whatever the app can do, it increases to a greater amount. Okay, after that, what we can track the user's behavior using the artificial intelligence. So whatever the, like if you see now, for example, after all of this is implemented, if you see like you are in a shopping website. Okay, so what is being done, so when you are searching for any product, okay, you will see that you are getting recommendations relating to that product. So how it is done, so the main part, the main role that has been played here is being played by data. So data, with the help of data, what we can do, using the data and implementing artificial intelligence in it, we can track the user behavior. And after that, what we can do, we can accuracy close to perfection. Okay, so what we can do here, we can like accurately we can like make the solutions which are very accurate in nature, which are perfect in nature. So if you see, like, so what are the benefits of using AI in app development? If you see, so it's enhancing the user experiences, it provides a conversational UI, it provides productivity, it tracks users behavior, and at the end the accuracy is close to perfection. Moving to the next slide. Okay, so this is some virtual assistants that you people, most of you already know about them. Many of you will be using them as well. So these are some virtual assistants that has already been developed, and you people will be knowing about them. So I'm not going in details about them. Like we have the Microsoft Cortana, we have the Amazon's Alexa, we have the Siri of Apple, and Google Assistant of Google. So these are the virtual assistants that you people would be knowing about, and I'm pretty sure that most of you have heard the names, right? Anyone with any doubts? Anyone with any doubt? Fine. Okay. Moving to the next. Now let's understand what is MIT App Inventor, the website that we are going to on to work on today. So MIT App Inventor is a set of tools that let you make apps on Android devices. So basically the apps that we're going to make, we're going to, like, if you want to make the apps today, so if you have an Android mobile, you can bring it, and then because that apps can be used in your Android devices. So you're going to make your own AI machine learning app to test it out. So here we can make an AI based machine learning app where we can test it out. And after that, what we can do is we can but the App Inventor does not normally support like the machine learning. So we have an extension. Now, basically what we will do, so there in MIT App Inventor only, we have extension. Like what is that extension? So we can download that extension. That is like, it's a pre-built thing where the definitions and everything is already been given. So we are going to use that to develop our like optimum solutions to it. So MIT App Inventor is a set of rules that lets you make apps on the Android devices. Now, how many of you are using Android devices? Let me know, please. How many of you are using Android devices? Okay, Aman is using then. Okay. Yeah. If you want, you can. Perfect. So if you want, like you can bring your phone just to like, so that we can, like, you can test your apps, you can work on your apps. So yeah, you can bring your apps, and along with it, like I'll be there is a one app that it has to be installed from Play Store in order to run your app here with MIT App Inventor. So the name of the app is MIT AI to Companion. So you have to download that app. Like if you want to execute the app with me, like simultaneously that I make the apps. So if you people also make the app with me simultaneously, so you need to install the MIT AI to Companion. So this MIT AI to Companion would help you to execute the apps. Okay. Yeah. Who have doubts? I think there are some raised hands. Okay. Yeah, Gerard. Yeah, you have a question. Haya, you have a question. And Usharga, you have a question. Ashmita, you have a question. Okay, fine. One by one. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Ansh. Yeah, Ansh, what is the question? Okay. Yeah, let me know your doubts. Okay. Yeah, fine. Tusharg, fine. If you have already used MIT App Inventor, that's absolutely fine. Okay, Anj, if you don't have an Android device right now, no worries. Uh, like what we can do is you can Perfect. So if whoever is not using an Android device, you can see the making of the apps now, and you can execute them later. No worries. You can just see how the app is being done or how we can implement it, because and so that will be no problem with that. And people who already know about MIT App Inventor, then the things are going to be easier for you people, because you already know. But whoever don't know about it, don't worry, I'm going to start from the very basics of it, and we are going to learn each and every part of it. So whoever does not know about that, so don't worry. Okay, I'll be taking you people through with each and everything. Okay, please confirm the MIT AI2 companion. MIT AI2 companion. In Play Store you will get the app MIT AI2 companion. Okay, I'm writing in the chat. You don't need to download the MIT App Inventor. It's about the app where we are going to execute, because here in for doing this one, what we will do is we will run and execute the app in the companion. Okay, so whenever we make the app, we will make it in the website, the front end and the back end, and the execution of the app is going to be in your mobile phones, so that you people can also say that we are making the apps in our mobile phones. So that is very important. So you people, after this class, you people can also say that yes, we have developed apps with AI. So that's the basic fundamental thing that we are aiming, so that you people are empowered with AI. And after this class, you people can also boast and say that yes, we have also made our AI devices, our AI applications. And even like if we if the people who have completed, like who would complete developing the apps, want to build the apps, like you have apps in your phone, so I can help you people doing that as well, where you can build the apps, and you can send the apps to anyone and everyone. If you want to send it to your relatives or anyone and everyone, you can send your apps to. So that's what we are aiming at. Okay, is it clear? Fine, many of you have done the installing as well. Very good, very good. Nice. Okay, perfect. Why David? Like, was there? Okay, if you don't have a, okay, yeah, if you don't have a problem, like if you don't have a Android device, no problem. I'm just saying for the people who have the Android devices, because the extension we are going to work, it does not, like, because of the Apple's high security, it does not allows the testing of it. So Android allows that, so that we can test our apps. So that's why if you don't have an Android device, no worries, you can like do the session today, and after that you can implement it. No worries about that. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, there is for Apple, that is for like the Apple, there is iOS. So there is other like there is another one which is there, but particularly in this one we will be using this extension. Okay, so using this extension, it will be very difficult to run the app in Apple Play Store, because it does not allows the unrecognized apps there. So that is the problem. So that's why we wouldn't be able to execute it. But like for Android, we can execute it today, and I can show you people. Okay, perfect. Nice. Yeah, we'll be making the front end of it, obviously. And for the people, like there would be don't like the execution won't be done, but like there is an app in the Apple Play Store, App Store as well, called the MIT App Inventor. So that can, like, you people can install that one, which is there in the Apple Play Store, App Store. But the thing is that the execution would be a problem, as it won't allow to execute. Whoever is doing it on the screen, please stop. And that's what we are. Please stop. Whoever is doing it, please stop. So That's what. And for everyone, whoever is here, everyone will be making it. Execution, I'll be showing like maybe you people will be doing it for the first time, so errors may arise, but like building part everyone will do. Execution, like for people who are using the iOS, would be a problem maybe because of the extension that we would use, but like for others whoever are making it, so we will make it, don't worry. And the execution and everything, we would see to it how fast we can do. Okay, so I hope everyone is ready. Everyone is ready. Please don't do it on the screen. Please don't do it on the screen. Remove this. Okay, so let's see the features of MIT App Inventor. So it's an open source. It is a competitive environment. So obviously it's a competitive environment where you can, after this class also, after this also, you can develop apps there, and MIT App Inventor provides a very innovative platform for young app developers like you, where you can develop the apps in there and you can publish the apps there as well. And you can use your projects, your projects get saved there. So it's a very useful, user-friendly and useful app to be. Okay, so perfect. So okay, so please don't do anything on the screen. It's very destructive on the part of being myself, and when I'm teaching. So it's please don't do it on the screen, and it's a request from my side. So okay, and along with it, like let's begin then. I hope you people are clear with the features of MIT App Inventor. So now let's start making on it. Okay. So first we need to go to the link of the MIT App Inventor. Okay. So I'll be giving you people the link in the chat. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just stop my share for once. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just give you the link in the chat and then I'll start sharing again. I hope everyone has received the link. I've given it in the chat. I hope everyone has received the link. I've given it in the chat, and you people have received it, right? Yep, perfect. So I'll start sharing the screen again. Just a minute. This link is for like where we will develop the apps, right? So we will be developing the apps in the MIT App Inventor. So this link is for the MIT App Inventor where we will be developing the apps. So if you see, so this is the MIT App Inventor website where we are going to work and develop the apps with. Okay, so how we are going to get started with it? So the first thing for getting started with it is create apps. So we need to click on the create apps, and from there we need to log in with our Google accounts. Okay, so or Gmail accounts or whatever the mail accounts you have. So yeah, we are going to log in onto that. And after that, what we will do is, after like all, like whichever account you people will be using, so all projects that you people will be making will be stored within this Google account only. And if you log in with other account, you will not find your projects. So this account, user accounts that we are using, so it will be for like when you click on that sign in with Google, so what will it do? It will like when you log in with Google into this one, so like the email ID that you are using, the all the apps, this unique email ID will be acting as the unique key to it, and you people will be finding all your developed apps. Again, you log in with the same email ID. Okay, is it clear? Ashmita, is it clear now what it is for? Ashmita, is it clear? Okay, I'll be repeating. Okay, I'll be repeating. No worries. Here we are going to, yeah, you need to go click on the link that I just provided you people with. So just a minute. You can like click on the link there, and once you click on the link, you go to a website called the MIT App Inventor. Now, when you go to the MIT App Inventor, so you click on the Create Apps option. So when you click on this Create Apps option, so what will happen? So you will be like going to a page like this where you need to sign in. So you need to use your Google accounts to sign in, and once you sign into it, like the Google account that you're using for signing in, try to use the same Google account for every time you log into the MIT App Inventor, because this MIT like the login or whatever is done in the MIT App Inventor, the login, everything, so that is done with that email ID only. So that email ID will store all your projects. So that would act as the unique part. So once you log in with that email ID, you have to work like you will find all of your projects made there. Is it clear? And otherwise, I'll just show you the whole procedure. Don't worry. Yes, we need to log in. Okay. Yeah, we will log in. I think it's clear now. So after this, what we will do is, see, here what we will do, here we are going to click on a start new project option. So once you have done with your logins and everything is done, so you will get an option for where you will start the new project. So first we need to click log into the MIT App Inventor website, where like that will be given in the interface. And after that, what we have to do, we have to click on the start new project option. After that, what will happen? A pop-up screen would come up and put the same name of the project to give it. Okay, so after that, we have to click on the start new project option. And remember, the name of the project cannot be changed. So whatever will be the name of the project that you are giving, it will be the same. And one more thing about the name of the project, that the name of the project cannot contain any space. So if you want to create object classifier, so you have to give a underscore for that. Is it clear up to this? Up to this, is it clear? Yeah, I can repeat. Yes. Okay. So, Dahlia, yeah, what is the question? Tell me. See, firstly, what we are looking forward here is, like, once we log into the MIT App Inventor website, so after that, what we are going to do, we are going to click on the start new project option. So where we can build our new project. So there we will be clicking on the start new project option. And with the start new project option, what we are going to do, a pop-up screen will appear where you need to put the name of the project. So in that place, we need to put the name of the project or project name that we are doing. So today we are going to work with the object classifier only. So what will be this app doing in the object classifier app? Let's understand that as well. So this object classifier app would be classifying the whatever the object, like it will take the cameras, like the phone's camera as a scanner, and it will start scanning the objects that are in front of you. And it will call out that what is the object that it is in front of you. So if once you start scanning it, so it will use your mobile's camera to scan, and then it will say like what is the object, and it will call it out in voice as well. Okay, I think food hangs at rest. Okay, the name of the project means the name. No, the main name of the project does not mean the name of the app. The name of the app, you can give it like in a different way. I'll show that. But for now, we are just talking about the name of the project. Okay. Anyone with any more question? Anyone with any more question? Dahlia, yeah, which part you didn't understand? Please let me know. I'll be happy to explain. Okay. Moving forward, what we are planning to do is, wait. So here are some components that we will be understanding before we will practically start making it. Let's understand the theoretical approaches of it. So where we will be learning about the components like user interface components, and there is labels, there is buttons. So what are this? So how it helps in MIT App Inventor. With the first point you didn't understand. Like, can you let me know the point, which point you didn't understand? Let me know the point, which point you didn't understand. There is no option for me like that. Okay, Ashmita, when we will be like working on it practically, so that time, sir, where will we start a button, right? Yeah. So yeah, there is a button right here. So wait, so basically, like I'll show you practically. Don't start doing it now. I'll be showing you people practically how it is done. I'll be like, we will be doing it together. Like I'll be doing it on my screen. You people will be doing it on your screens. So I'll make sure that everyone here completes the app by the session. So I'll be doing it my screen. You people will be doing it your screens. But before going to start with that, let's understand the theoretical approach of this. Okay, before starting to program, we will understand the theoretical approach of it. What are these things? What is the utility of these things? And then we will be starting off practically. And I'll be showing you through in the website only. I'll be showing you how the development is done. What are the features that we are taking for the development? Yeah, Ashmita. Yeah, yeah. I'll be helping you. I'll be helping you. Don't worry. I'll be helping you. Yes, yes, yes. Asmita, don't worry. I'll be helping you. When we are doing the practical part, I'll be helping you. Don't worry. Okay. So now let's understand what is this. So in the MIT App Inventor, once we are in the MIT App Inventor, so there will be a place called palette. Now, what is this palette all about? Now, here in the palette, what we have the different types of user interface. We have different types of components. Okay, so basically, what is the utility of these components, or why these components are used for? So if you're cooking a food, right, you need to have ingredients, right? So here you have the palette, and in the right hand side, in this part, you will be having component, like whatever the components you are using. So what should be the length of the component, what should be the width of the component. Like if we are making an app, so in that app, what we can have, we will have a length, where like there's a, when you are placing a button in the screen, so there will be a length of the button, there will be a width of the button. So all of these things will be there. Please, whoever is drawing on the screen, please don't do that. Whoever is drawing on the screen, please don't do that. And so now here, like the palette, from palette, what we do, like for example, in my app, I need a button. So I'll be just dragging a button inside my screen. So that is the overall idea of having the palettes, the checkbox, the images. So we just drag the ingredients or the elements from the palette inside the screen. Now moving next. Here we have the backend part of it. Okay, so in the backend part in MIT App Inventor, we have block and code types of development. So in that block and code types of development, we have again two more things. Like the one part is called the built-in, and another part is called the like the screen one component. So in the built-in part, what we have, the built-in libraries or built-in things that are required, like the controls. So the controls may have the if statements, for loop, the logical statements, all of this, like the procedure, how you would create a variable, all of things are there. And in the screen one components, what is there? There are the components that we have added in the user interface. So here, like you have added a button. So what is the utility of that button, or what will happen when the button is being clicked, or what will happen when the text box appears? So all of these things we will be understanding from the screen one components. All of these things will be more clear when we will be practically working on this. Okay, is there any more doubt? I'll be don't worry about the like the how you will get it. So I'll be like, we will be working directly on it, like we will be working on the MIT App Inventor. So at that time, I'll be showing you how we are working on it. So don't worry about things. Just you tell me, have you understood the concept or not? Yeah, Ansh, your doubt. Yeah, so you just tell me if you have a doubt in it or not. So otherwise, the working of it, we will be working. The block option will be there in the MIT App Inventor. I'll be showing you where you will get the block options. So don't worry about that, where you will get the option. Just let me know that have you understand the concept or not. If you have understood the concept, then it's fine. When we will be working directly practically with it, so at that time I'll be showing you where you will get the options on. It will be there. Don't worry. Yeah, who has doubt, please don't draw on the screen. Okay. Yes. How to get the parts and the blocks. Yeah, I'll be showing you. I'll be showing you all of that I'll be showing you, don't worry. Okay, so now I guess like you people have understood the concept, so please don't draw on the screen. Okay, so this is how the output are going to be looking like. Okay, in this program, this is how the outputs are going to look like. And like here, like if you click on the classify option, see it is saying a clock. If you classify the keyboard, so whatever the, like using your phone, whatever the things will be in front of your screen, you can just click on the scan and you can create it. Okay, I hope it is clear. So this is what, and this is how we are going to get the extension. So here we are going to work with the look extension. Please don't draw on the screen. And like here, the look extension is an extension to the MIT App Inventor that helps to run the image classification on the apps. The extension to be imported in the extension section. Okay, so here in the extension, there will be an extension section. So there we need to import that extension. Okay, so these are the things that are already mentioned in the MIT App Inventor extension for the looks, where the things are already being mentioned. We just need to use that off. Okay, so now without further delay, let's start building the app. I hope that will be more okay. Let's okay, I'll just stop my share so that I can present the screen of the. Now everyone ready for the app development? Perfect. So everyone doing it with me? The app development? Perfect. Perfect. Nice. So I'll be starting off with the app development. Just give me 1 minute. So once everyone is done, so after that, I'll be proceeding for the next part. Okay. So once everyone has completed. So like now, after that, one by one, you have to complete. Okay. So I'll start my share. Is my screen visible? Perfect. So I think you people, most of you have been there in this part, right? MIT App Inventor, create apps. I hope everyone has been in this page. So everyone who is there, like who are making the app, are you people in this page? Perfect. Are you people in this page? I have already given you the link. I'll be giving it to you again in the chat. Okay. So I've given you the link in the chat. So here what we are going to do is, here we are going to create the apps, right? Everyone, most of you are in the same page. Most of you are in the same page. Okay, you have already done it. Whoever has done it is fine. So I hope that most of you are in the same page. So I can click on the create app option. Perfect. Okay. So see here, some terms and condition are there. You need to accept this terms and condition. Okay. So after you have accepted the terms and condition, you are in this type of a page where, okay. So you just need to close this one. Okay. So basically this is the start new project page. Whoever is drawing, don't draw on the screen, please. Everyone in this page? Everyone in this page? Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, whoever is drawing, please don't draw on the screen. Okay. Perfect. Hello. Am I audible? Perfect. So here what we are going to do is we are going to click on the start new project option. Okay. I'll be clicking on the start new project option. So in the start new project, what we need to do, we need to give the name of the project. So what was the project name? Object classifier, right? So I'll be writing object underscore classifier. Okay, I'll click on OK. Once I click on OK, see, I'll be redirected to this screen. Whoever has drawn the rights, please wipe it off. And whoever is giving this yes, 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 I'm not able to see others' message if there is any important message or not. So please don't do it. If you are enjoying, let others enjoy the development as well. Now here, if you see, here are I was the components I was talking about. Now here the properties of the components are there, right? So here once we click on the if you see the object classifier, here we have the user interface, we have the components, right? And in this part, if you see what we have the designer. Designer means the user interface part, and then we have the blocks. So you people were asking me about the blocks. So there, here you can get the blocks. So there are two things: design user interface and the block. Rodi, please remove the strides. Please remove the strides. So here, if you see, now here what we need to do here is we need to add some buttons to it, right? So we will be adding the components. So where we can get the components, we can get the components in the palette section. So under the palette section, if you see, there are a lot of things, like there is layout, there is media, there is animation and drawing, there is maps, and also along with it, if you see, there is a thing called extensions. So here what we need to do is, here first we need to download the extension and upload the extension as well. So this is where we will uploading and downloading the extension. Okay. So yeah, is there any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? Up to this, any doubt? No doubts? Perfect. Yes, Ansh, yeah. What is the doubt? Let me know. Let me know the doubts. Yeah, the component in the palette, like once you click on it, it will appear. Okay. So once you like click on it, like here, if you see there, like when you click on the user interface components, so you need to click on it, and the components, once you drag it, like if I drag a button here, okay, so if you see, the properties here will appear. So once you drag a component inside it, the properties will appear along with it. Okay. Now I'll just click on delete. Okay. So is this the basic part clear out here? See, like this is the whole page only. Like this is the whole page, I guess. This is the whole page. Okay. All clear, I guess, up to this? Anyone having any doubt? Let me know. Anyone having any doubt, let me know, okay? First thing first. Okay. So just a minute. So first, what we need to do, we need to have a label. Okay, the label. Now what we need to do, we need to have some properties for this label as well. So we can change the properties of the label here. Like for example, let's for screen one. Okay, so we can change the properties of the screen one as well. And whoever was asking me about the name of the app, so here you can give the name of the name of your app, whatever app you want to make. So you can give the name of your app here, like object classifier. I'm giving the name, for example. Okay. Now, along with it, you can change the background color of it as well. Please don't draw on the screen. Please don't draw on the screen. Okay. Please don't draw on the screen. Now, if I want to change the background color, okay, let's, for example, see yellow. So see, the whole background will appear to be yellow. Okay. So now in this way, what we can do, we can create the properties, or we can change the properties of the app. Is it clear? Is it clear? The code, yeah, code we will be doing. Don't worry. Is it clear? Up to this, is it clear? Perfect. How to change the color? Okay, how did I get the text? So here in the user interface, there is a button called label. Okay, I'll just delete it and show it to you people again. So if I just delete it, yeah. So see, I just got it from here, user interface. I'll just drag it here. Okay. And then if you want to change the background color, so you just click on screen one, scroll down. Here is an option for background color. So when you click on this background color option, you get all of the color combination you want to choose, and you can choose your color combination according to your choice. Clear? Is it clear? Perfect. Okay. Now, along with it, like here, we will be using different components to it as well. So if you see here, wait, if you see here, so here, what is the first screen that would appear to us? What is the first screen that will appear to us? This one. So let's change this one. So let me change the text of it. Okay. And here also in the components, I can align it to center, or I can align it to left align. Like this also I can align it. Okay. Now, once I click on the screen one component, okay, wait. Once I click on the label, so in the label, what I can do is, if I want to change the width of the label, so I can make it fill parent. So see, it will be whole. Okay. Now height mostly is automatic, so I'll keep it as automatic. I just, yeah, if I need to change the width, so I'll be changing it to fill parent. See, the width is fill parent. Okay. Now, if I need to increase the height, let's for example say I want to make the height as 20%. So I can keep it as 20%. So see, the height has increased. So how much I want, I can increase in that manner, or whatever the values I need, I can change it from the properties part. Okay, I'll just click on OK. See, is it clear? Is it clear? Yeah, okay. Have you understood where to give, like where we can give it from? Okay, perfect. Now, here, after this, what we require, after we have done this, we will be requiring a web viewer component. This web viewer component is also in the user interface section. Okay, it is also in the user interface section. So this web viewer component, if you see, this component will help us to connect the app to the like our extension or the machine learning model that we will be making with that one. So this one will help us to connect our app. Clear? So here where we have written text for level 1, we can change the text from here, and I'll just make it as loading. So it will appear to the users as loading. Okay, I can increase the font size from here. You can increase and you can make it as what you want. So see, it's loading. And if you want to change the there is 3 available like fonts. So if you want to change the font, you can change the font as well. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Hello? Oh, it was too fast. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. See, here in the user interface, if you go in the first, there is a label. So you drag the label here. In the user interface, there is the label. So you drag the label here. Now, once you scroll down to the bottom of it, you get the web viewer component here. Okay. And now you wanted to change the types of the label, right? So you click on the label. So within that, there are components of the label, right? Properties of the label. So here, if you see, there is the font size is there, font type is there, height is there. So you can, and here you can change the text. At this point, you can change the text of the label as well. So whatever the text you want to display, you can do it here. Clear? Is it clear? Now is it clear, Sanvi? Okay, Ashmita, not clear? Yeah, Ashmita, tell me your doubt. Whoever is not clear, tell me the doubt. Okay. Yeah, you can complete and let me know. What is the code to get the app? Okay. How do I get it? Yeah, I get it from here. Like I get it from the properties. Like once you log into the screen, once you are inside the screen, so from there, that screen only, we can create this one. And from there, if you see first, we can take the label from here. I'm just dragging the label from here. And after that, one by one, I'm dragging the components from here. Okay. So once I drag the components one by one from here, I'll get the overall interface of it. And after that, I'll be start building upon it. Is it clear? How do I change the background? I'm unable to track the label in my laptop. Okay, just try with the just like this. Just hold the click one, hold the click button and just drag it like this one. Okay. And along with it, how like what was another question? So if you have any problem, like you click on the label, and there from here you can change the properties of the label. And whoever wants to align the text to center, just click on the screen 1 component. And once you click on the screen 1 component, you can see the align option here, align horizontal, align vertical. So you will get these options from here, and one by one you need to drag it. Clear? What is the code to enter the app? The code, there is no code to enter the app. Like we are not in the app. Like here we are developing the front end of it. Now we have not started with the back end. We are just developing the front end of it. The link that I gave you, that is the MIT App Inventor link. You need to click on that link, create your account there, and then create a new project called the object classifier, and you have to be in the screen on the phone. Like after we make this app, you will get the I'll show you how can you do it on the phone. So yeah, that can be done. So once you complete it on the once we complete developing the front end and back end of it, so we will be starting to make it on the back end as well. Clear? Is it clear? Now, okay. So now what more thing we need? We need a button. Okay, so where the user will click. So let's take a button here. Okay, and if I want, I can change the component of the button as well. So what will I make the button? Let me make the button as scan. Okay. And let me make the width as fill parent again. Okay. So once you click on the scan, what will happen? Please don't draw on the screen. Please don't draw on the screen. Okay. Yeah, you can talk to the team. Yeah. Who didn't understand? Wait, just a minute. Wait, I'll just stop my share and share it again. Just a minute. Just a minute. See, here, hello. Is it am I audible? Am I audible? See, here are the basic. Please don't draw on the screen. Here are the basic ingredients of it. So what we are doing it from here, if you see, this is a label. Okay, we have renamed this one. So this is basically a label. So what is the utility of this label? So this label shows like what is there. Okay, so firstly, when the user enters the screen, first the user will see this label. After that, what we have defined a web viewer one, that is this one. Like from the last option of the MIT App Inventor in the user interface, we have dragged the web viewer one. So what is the utility of this web viewer one? If I click on this, so this web viewer one is used to it is used to continue, or it is used to help the app to connect to the internet server of your phone, like phone to the server. So this thing is being done with this web viewer one. Okay, I think there's some questions. The result, just a minute, one by one. Make the color green of the, okay. Which one will I do? How result? Result is like the result is a label. So you can rename. So if you drag it for the first time, the result, if you drag it for the first time, it will be appearing as label one. In your screen, I guess it is also appearing as label one. If I just drag it once, wait, let me show you. If I just drag a label here, like I think it is showing you as label one. So you can click on the rename here. So once you click on the rename here, you can rename it to like result one or result two, whatever you want. Result, like for example, say result one. So if you see, the component here is result one. So we don't need it now. So I'm just deleting it. Yep. Is it clear how we get the result? Is it clear how we get the result? Hello. The result is not like the front end part. Is it clear? What about the text to speech? I'm coming to text to speech. I'm not gone to text to speech yet. I'm coming to text to speech and the look extension. But like here, what we have done is here first see, we have a label. And after that, what we have done, we have taken a web viewer one. And after that, what we have done, we have created a button called scan. So using the scan button, what will happen? The users can scan through their apps. Okay. Now, two more things we can see here. Coming to the look extension later, another one is called the text to speech. So where we can get the text to speech, let's see. So in the here, if you see in the media part, okay. So third option, like click on the media, everyone. Everyone go to the left hand side and click on media. Everyone go to the left hand side and click on media. Have you got the text to speech there? In media, have you got this text to speech? Which link will I share, Sanvi? Which link you want? Which link do you want? Let me know. How we will get the loop one? I'll be sharing you the link of the loop one. Don't worry. MIT App Inventors link. Okay, I'm giving it to you. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, I'm giving it to you. And what about the text to speech? I'm talking about the text to speech now only. The text to speech here is used. So what will it do? Like you are writing any text, okay? Or is that there is text in the screen? So what it does? It takes the text in the screen and it helps to convert it into audio. Okay, whatever the text is there, so the text should be converted to audio. So whatever that's why we are using text to speech. Now what is the utility in this app? So whatever the text you have given, it will convert that text into a once you click on the once the text to speech is being triggered, so whatever the output that you are getting in the screen, it will be converted into voice. The output will be converted into voice. Clear? Is it clear now? How to rename? Just go to the component that you have dragged, click on the component, and then there is a rename option. So please don't draw on the screen. If you are if you're not enjoying, you just watch it, but please don't draw on the screen. And if you click on the rename, see there is a component. So if you click on the rename, so once you click on the rename option, what will happen? You will be getting the option to rename the buttons. Clear? How do you get the object classifier? Yes, I'm showing you. Where is look? I'll show where is look. Don't worry about the look. Now, is this part clear up to what we have done? Up to what we have done? We have done it up to the text to speech. Is the text to speech clear? Look 1, I'm coming because look 1 we need to download and install it. So look 1, I'm coming. Is it clear? Just put the text to speech in the screen. Like just drag it and put it in the screen like this. It is a non-visible component, so no worries about that. So it will not be visible on the screen. You just pull it and drag it in the screen. It is a non-visible component, so it will not be visible in the screen. Clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Is it clear up to this? Any doubts? Aris, just wait. Let's complete it once and then we will end. So are you people clear with it? Yes, Kushar, what is the doubt? Let's just complete it. How to get the looks? Yeah. Now coming to the main part, how to get the looks. So everyone look into the screen with rapt attention. So here in the help part, you have an option for extension. In the help part, you have an option for the extension. Whoever is doing it, please stop and come to my screen and see. Once you go to the help, you get the term extension. Click on extensions. Okay. So once you click on extensions, you scroll down. In the second option, there is the look extension AIX. Is my screen visible? Just anyone please confirm, is this look extension screen visible for me? My screen is visible. Perfect. So this look extension .aix, you can see this is clickable. Just click on this. It will be downloaded in your laptop, in your systems, whichever you are using. It will be downloaded there. Okay. Just click on the look extension .aix. Just click on the look extension .aix, everyone. So let me click on it. So it will be downloaded. Okay. So have you people clicked on it? Is it downloaded? Let me know. Done downloading. Perfect. 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 Very good. Very good. So everyone who have downloaded, very good. So I'll just go back to the main screen. Okay. Once it is downloaded, I think you people have downloaded it. So I'll be going to the main screen back. Okay. So once I'm back to the main screen. Perfect. Now what will I do? So here, if you see at the end, there is an option for extension, right? So I'll just click on this extension option. And here you get an option for import extension. Here you get an option for import extension. Just click on the import extension and then they will tell you to choose file. So you click on the choose file and whatever the extension are visible, like whatever the extension that you have, like the look extension, like I have a lot of extension, but here you will be having a lot more extension as well. So whatever the extension you have, it will show you in the .aix format. Okay, so after that, from there you import the look extension. Just click on the look extension, it will be imported here. Everyone completed importing the look extension? Everyone completed doing the look extension? Okay, Arfan, okay, Arfan, see, you please don't write it on the screen. Please don't write it on the screen. Arfan, see, click on import extension. Here you get the option for choose file, right? So you click on the choose file option. Okay, once you click on the choose file where you get your downloaded. So see, here I have the downloaded look extension. So it is visible here. So I'll just click on this and I'll click on open. Okay, and I'll click on import. So once you click on this import, it will be imported here. Clear? Is it clear? Please don't draw it on the screen. How to change the font color? Is it clear? Have you completed? How to change the font color for the level? So click on the click on the label, scroll down at the bottom of it, you get text color option here. So in the text color option, you can change the font color. Perf, okay. Sarvajit, which part is not working? The font type, you get the font type at the fifth option. Fifth option is the font type. So the font typeface, you can import it from there. Okay, import option is not working. Have you downloaded it? Have you downloaded the look extension? Have you downloaded the look extension? Perfect. So once you have downloaded the look extension, at the bottom, see here it will be there. See, there is an extension option at the last option. You click on the extension option. So when you click on that extension option, you get this import extension. So from that import extension, you need to import it. My font type. So my font type is here. See, the font type, you will get 4 options for the font type. I am using serif right now. So you can get serif font type from here. Clear? Please don't draw on the screen. Please don't draw on the screen. Okay. How many of you have completed with the extension, importing it? It is a non-visible component. Yeah, now drag the look extension into the MIT App Inventor. Please don't draw on the screen. Please if you are not interested, please let others do it. Please don't draw on the screen. Please don't draw on the screen. Okay. If you see, now drag the look extension inside it. So once you like this, just drag it inside it. So just drag the look extension there. Okay. After have everyone completed dragging the look extension? Okay, the extension works. Perfect. Perfect. I think most of you have imported the look extension. Okay. Perfect. Now what we are going to do is we're going to go to blocks. So in the blocks, what will happen? So let's see what will happen in the blocks. So in the blocks, first we will go to the scan button that we have created. A button we have created earlier. So if you remember, we have created a button. So what happens when the button is clicked? So when button one.click do, and within the do part, you call look1.classify video data. So what will it do? So first we will go to the scan button or the button one of yours, like the button one that you created. So which one you want to delete? Which one you want to delete? Look to, you just click on it. Okay, go to designer. just click on this. Like if you have look to, just click on look to, and then there is a delete option here. Just click on the delete option. You will be able to delete it. Okay. And within the look extension, one more thing, within the look extension that we're doing, once you click on the look extension, then there is a input mode. So once you click on the look extension within the components, there is an input mode selected to video. Okay, select the input mode to video. Everyone do it. Everyone select the input mode to video. Now what we will do, we will go to blocks. Please don't draw on the screen. Please don't draw on the screens. So after that, what will happen is like this when the screen when the scan is when scan dot click. Okay, so when scan dot click, what will happen? So when scan dot click, so what we will do, we will go to the look extension. Okay, we will click on the look extension, and from there we will call this function called look1.classify video data. This is the first step in the backend. So complete it, everyone. The first step in the backend. Let me know when it is done. What happened? Which part is not clear? Okay, I'll be repeating the steps. Yes. In the screen, in the built-in and the screen one components, can you people see? Can you people see the screen one and the built-in components? So in the screen one and the built-in components, when I click on the look one, what will happen? So firstly, we need the scan button. So the button one that you have created, or the scan button if you have renamed it. So once you click on that, you will get an option called when scan one.click, like this. When scan one.click. So you need to drag it here. Okay. So once you have dragged the scan one, what we will do, we will go to the look one where we have the look extension. So look one.classify video data. So what we will do, we will put the look one.classify video data here. Clear? Okay, finished entire backend. Where do I find scan? So have you added the button one? Do you have a button one in your screen? Do you have? So that is like, we click on the button one, like I have renamed it to the scan button. You just click on the button one. Here you will have a button like the symbol. Check the symbol of the box. So there is a box symbol. So click on the box symbol, and then like from that box, you will get the when the button one dot click. If you are using the button one, you will get the button one dot click. As I am using the scan, like I have renamed it to scan, so that's why I am getting the scan. Okay, clear? Perfect. Okay, so after it, what we are going to do, I think the scan part is clear. What happened, Ansh? Which part is not working? Tell me. Okay. Which part is not importing? How do you get the result? The code. Okay. No. Which part you're not, which part have you not understood? Tell me that. How to assign button? Okay, see. I'll go to the designer. Here I have taken a button, right? This is the button where I just took the scan button in front of you. People only I dragged. So if you see, there is a user interface. So in the first one is the button. So you need to drag a button here. So if you drag a button here, what will it show? I'll drag a button. It shows the button one. So I have renamed this button one here. I have renamed this button one here. So that's why it is appearing as scan. So if you want to keep it as button one, you can keep it as button one. So I'll just delete the button one from here. Okay, so here I have renamed it to scan. So that's why it is appearing as scan. Clear? Is it clear? Perfect. How can you download the extension? You just need to go here in help, and then you have the extension option. Click on the extension, and there you will get the loop one extension. You need to download the extension from there. Okay. I'll be showing the code. Okay. Now here in the code part, if you see, here you have the scan button, like the button one you had. So similarly, you will be having the button one here maybe. So you click on button one or that one. From here, you will get the scan one dot click. So when you click on that scan one dot click, what will happen? It will it will call the look extension dot classify video data. So when you click on the look one dot classify video data, what will it do? It will start classifying your data one by one. Is it done? Is it done? Hello. Is it done? Like the first part is done. You don't have result text. Okay, result text is same way. Like result text is a label. The label, I have renamed the label as the result. So if you see, if you drag a label here, you will get it as label one. This label one is the result. Like basically the label one is same as the result because I have renamed it using the rename component. So I've renamed it to label one. Clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Perfect. Label one text is loading. Okay. Complete the first part of it. And then for others, we have already completed this one. So here what we are going to do, here we are going to when loop one dot classify ready. Okay. Please don't draw on the screen. Please don't draw on the screen. So if you see it here, so when the look extension one dot classifier ready, so you click on look extension again, and from here you will get the got classification ready. So when you get the got classification ready, whoever is doing it, stop doing it. Whoever is doing it, please stop doing it. Just a minute. Is it visible now? Hello. Is it visible? So if you click on the scan or if you click on this option, so in the look option, you get the when classifier ready. So when you click on the look one dot classifier ready, what will happen? You can drag it here. And then with the loop one dot classifier ready, what we can do, we can set the result. So in the scan one, you can get the scan one dot enable to true. In the in the result one, what we can get, who is drawing? So from the scan one, when scan dot enable, like when you click on the button of scan, so what is there? So when scan one dot enable, so we need to drag it from here. when scan1 dot like set scan1 dot enable to this option. Okay, so when you click on the button of the scan1 or the scan button or button one, whatever you people are having, so from there you can drag the when scan1 dot enable to. Clear? Yes, Ans, what is the doubt? Just a minute. So from here, if we click on the classifier ready, okay, so when I click on the classifier ready, like there is a scan option, so there's a scan button there, right? So with the scan button, what happens? So when I click on the scan option, so there is a button. Okay, so basically this why the scan button is used, the scan button is used to enable it to true. Like if the scan one dot enable, like when the button is enabled or when the button is ready, so what is happening here? When we have taken the look one dot classifier ready, so this part from the loop one, so when the classifier is ready, the classifier option is ready, what will it do? It will go to the scan button. So the button one or scan button, whatever you are having, you click on that one here, and with that one, what will it do? It will enable it to true. Clear? Is it clear? How to get the set result text to? So in the result part, click on the result, and from there you can get the set result text to. So you can get the option from there. So from where you can, like if you click on the result part, that is a label, that is the first label. Okay, it's the first label that you are have taken. So from there you can get the set result text to. So from there you will get the set result text to, and within the logic you will get the true and false option. So from there you can drag the true and false option. Clear? And at the end, if you see, there is a call the text to speech one dot message. So from the like the text to speech option, you will get the text to speech one dot message to. Clear? So from there you will get the text, call the text to speech one dot message to. Clear? Hello, is it clear? Is it clear? Hello, hello, is it clear? Yeah. Okay, how to set the enable to true? So you will get it into logic. In the logic there is the true option, you can drag the true from there. Okay, Ansh, what is your doubt? Okay, and then from the when look one dot class get classification, so you click on the look one. So once you click on the look one, so the look one dot get classification, so you can set the result text, result one dot text to select the list item list and get results and index to one. Okay, so from here, once you get the get classification, like look one dot got classification, so what will it do? It will give the result in the result one dot text. That is the first label that we took. So in the first label, what will it show? So we will set the label one dot text to, and then from the list we will go to list, and within the list, what we will do? We will add like select the items from the list. So this one, select item list item, and we will insert it here, and within it, what will it do? We will take the get result and we will put the index values. Clear? How to get the, how to set the result text to ready? How to set the result text to ready? Okay, so result text to ready is like here. You click on the the label result, okay, and this one you want this one. So here in that within the text you get a blank screen. So you just drag the blank screen within this one like this, and then you here you can write ready like this. This is it. So you can just click it to ready. Clear? How to get result? Okay. How to get results? Okay, get where like this get result. So here you will go to the result one, okay, and at the end you will get the result one dot text. Like here you can get the result. Here is the result one dot text. So whichever, like if you want the result one dot text, so you can get it from here. And set result result dot text to select an item list. So we have to go to the list and we have to choose this one. Select item, select list, item list, index, and from here we need to put it inside this one. And we need to do the same thing, like we need to duplicate this, like we need to add the same block from the text to speech. So once you click on the text to speech and scroll up, you get the call text to speech one dot speak message, where it tells the message in voice. So you need to drag it inside it, and after that what we have to do, select the item list and get the result. Clear? Okay, the code is ready. Okay, fine. So I think most of you have completed the code. Okay, perfect. Now what we will do is, now we will scan it. Okay, now let's just scan it. How to set results? Yeah, we will check it now. So for checking it, what we need to do, we need to go for connect. Okay, we need to go up to connect, and within connect what we have, the AI companion. So click on the AI companion for connecting. So if you click on the AI companion, you will get a QR like this. So in your MIT App Inventor that you people have made, okay, you are not done, fine. Who is not done, I'll be fine if you are not done. Like many of them has completed, so let them do it. So what we have to do, we have to scan this QR. Like you need to open the MIT App Inventor, whatever the app that you have installed in your phone. You need to scan the QR with the app that you have made, and you need to execute it. Clear? Orange, I cannot get the orange get result. Okay, my okay, so yes, my one works fine. Yeah, I'm showing the code. Okay, I'm showing the code. This is the code. Orange get result, this one. So you click on this loop one dot extension, and here you have it, loop one dot got classification. From here you take the loop one dot got classification. From here only you take the loop one dot classifier ready. So classifier ready is for this part, and the got classification is for this part. Now within this, what we will do here from the result, what we are doing, so scan, there is a button called like the button that you have added. So it can be button one as well, or as I have renamed it. So for me it is appearing as scan. So what I am doing, set the scan dot enable to. So from here you just need to scroll down, and there you will get the set scan one dot enable to, and you put it inside it and set it to true. Okay, and for the result as well, if you click on the result, set result dot ready to, and then you need to drag it to true. Clear? Is it clear? What will be design ones? Web design. Okay, so here is the web, like web viewer one we are using here. So in this part we are using the web viewer one, and yep. How can, okay, what happens with the QR? So with the QR, you run the program with the QR. Okay, so you run the program with the QR. So can you click the web viewer in the designer? Yeah, like the web viewer is here at the end. Just drag it inside it. Done with the web viewer. Okay. So here we have the get results. Get result. Okay. This one. Just go there, you will get it. So this is the result written here. So you just take your cursor to there, you will get the orange get result you wanted. Okay. What does which means? This is the part of the variable that we are using. What does which means? Yes. How to? Okay, so have you completed, Ansh? The coding is completed. Yeah, so after, okay, have everyone now completed? Web viewer designer properties. Okay, so if I click on the web viewer, this is the designer property. Click on the web viewer, you will get the designer property. So has everyone completed? Can we go for the? Okay. Yeah, you need to specify the web viewer here. You click on the look1.extension and the web viewer, like here, it is mostly selected as none. You need to select the web viewer from here. Click on the look one. Then within the web viewer, once you click on the web viewer, you will get the web viewer one option. You choose the web viewer one option and then try. You tell me the doubts. Tell me the doubts. This app is called the object classifier. The QR1 I'm showing. QR1 I'm showing. So once you have done with the web viewer, like this is what to do with the web viewer, right? So here, if you just click on the web viewer component, so there you have to select the web viewer one. That's it. So once you select the web viewer one, you can click on OK. Now you can go to blocks, and within the blocks you have the look1.classifier ready, look1.got classification, and after that scan1.click. So all of these are there. So you can select it directly from there. Clear? So and for people who were asking me who want to check their apps, go to connect, click on AI companion, and then you get this QR. Just open the MIT App Inventor AI2 in your mobile phones, scan this app in your phones, and then run your app. Okay. Is it done? Perfect. Perfect. Is it done, everyone, please? Like, do you have, Sanvi, do you have the MIT AI2 companion in your phone? So you need to install the MIT AI2 companion in your phone and then scan the app using the QR, and then like you will get the QR here. You will get the QR here in the connect part. You can click on the AI companion and you get the QR here. From here, you will get the QR from. Okay. You can get the download in the phone MIT AI2 companion. You can download the MIT AI2 companion. Okay, you want to download it on your phone. So you can go to the build and click on Android APK. So once you click on the Android APK, another QR will be like generated. So once you scan that QR, you will be able to download it on your phone. So here there is a build option. So within the build option, there is an Android APK option. So once you click on that Android APK option, the app will be built and a QR will be generated. So you need to use that QR for generating the output. Is it clear? Is it clear? It works very nicely. Very good, Kusharg. Very nice. I hope you people are happy with the development of this one. And I'll just stop my share. Just give me 1 minute. After this, we will have a picture of us and then we will conclude the session. Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'll just stop my share for once. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just stop my share for once. Give me 1 minute, please. Just write down your doubts in the chat. Just a minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So I hope you people wait. Just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. So there is a feedback form that I have allotted to you people. Just go through that feedback form. And I hope that you people have enjoyed making the app and you people have developed the app as well. So the name of the app is like, you can give it the name of the app as Object Classifier. And I would request everyone to nicely done. Very good. Yes, Ans, what is the question? What is the question, Ans? You can ask. Yeah, we can do it on iOS, but the problem with the thing is, like in the iOS, what happens is like we need to, yeah, like the extension that we just used, that is a Look extension, due to the security issue, it does not works on the iOS that good. So that's why we have done it on the Android. Okay, so I would request everyone to fill up the form that I have given in the chat. Please fill up that form. Okay, that I've given in the chat. So please fill up the form that I've given in the chat. And along with it, before we end, I want everyone to turn on their cameras. I just want everyone to turn on their cameras, please. Can we have everyone turning on their cameras, please? Okay, I can see Riyadh. I can see Haya. Okay, everyone. Very good, everyone. Perfect. Okay, everyone, please turn on your cameras. Whoever can, please turn on your cameras, please. Can we get a turn on of cameras, everyone? Okay, and can we get a thumbs up from everyone? Like this. So everyone enjoyed it? Yay! Okay. So yeah, we enjoyed the session. So yeah, we will be concluding. So okay, just a minute. I have a question, I guess. I can scan it on my phone. Yeah, handkerchief. Okay, handkerchief 0.19926. That is, what does it mean? It means is that the accuracy score of the object that has been detected. So if you see in the chat when I was showing you in the slides, so in that part, what we determine is how many, like what is the like the chat that we are getting, or what is the part we are getting. So how much handkerchief, like what is the code of it? So it is displaying the code of the handkerchief that has been scanned with it. Okay, so for you people, I think it is working, and I hope that you people have enjoyed. Yep, very nice. So we will be concluding the session here. Okay, so you can make the apps. Okay, nice. So yeah, very well done, everyone. It was a very nice session with you people. Very well done. Thanks everyone for joining, and please fill up the feedback link again. I've given it in the chat. Please everyone, before leaving, please fill up the feedback link, and whoever has done, they can leave. And yeah, please fill up the feedback link. Thank you everyone for joining.